Okay, let's get started.
RECHARCHABLE.
Nippers. Look back and beat up. Sanding band. I'm just pushing back all that cuticle. Now I'm gonna go from the my right to my, I'll remove a little bit of that lifting, that little white area right there. Looks like there's like a pocket of air. You can get rid of it with your fine sanding band, so you're gentle near your natural now. So I'll go underneath the skin like that, so that when you apply your acrylic, it is more of a precise and clean application. Go underneath that cuticle first. If you have any lifting, you can do it after, or vice versa. Whatever you feel comfortable with, do that. I'm done with prep yet, and it's already looking pretty good. All right, that looks pretty clean. Okay, you see the difference so far. This is pretty clean. This is not. You don't want your e-file too loud either. That means it's too fast. Be gentle. Go under the skin and be careful when putting pressure on your natural nail. We're gonna use these for prep to kind of better prep our nails underneath. It just digs under a little bit more, but very gentle. It is actually very gentle. Afterwards, you're gonna see after I do this part how much I cleaned up that area. I don't like to nip my clients either. I literally barely try to use the nipper unless it's like a severe bad cuticle situation and the cuticles are super dry and thick. But for the most part, if it was me like this, I shouldn't cut the cuticle, and I'd rather not. But you see this right here, you can remove it. So we're gonna go from right to left because I am right-handed. Of course, if you're left-handed, I believe you would do it the opposite way. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the ring finger. You can see that, you see that little white right there? That's that cuticle underneath. And you see it just removed it. And then now we have more real estate and a cleaner foundation for our application. So you can start from one end to the other. Clean that cuticle. But what I like to really do is focus on prepping around the natural nail. If there's something hanging, then I'll cut it. If not, then honestly I'll put cuticle at the end of the service, and the client will have a better chance of having healthier skin around the cuticle. Okay, clean it up. Brush from Sally's. This is what the nail swipe looks like. You really don't need a dehydrator. This is literally a dehydrator. So we have that ready. The color that we're going to be filling with is from Valentino. It's called Princesita. My monomer. Fill up more. Here we go. So you need to add primer. Two coats on. Dip into your monomer, pick up your bead. It is not too cold in the room, so I don't want to release too much liquid off the bead, but put it close to the cuticle but not touching, and then push it back. Bring it down. Oh my gosh, it's always hard to show with this brush because it keeps hitting me. Alright. I just feathered it down some of that product. That little corner there. Just go slow. This product dries so fast. Oh my. Oh, and the air turned off again. So I'm gonna have to work faster. A little wet there. Add some more near that cuticle. Even though it's like pretty much nearly touching the skin, it still wasn't enough there. See, right now it touched the skin, but we gotta clean that off. So go under because it's touching the skin too much. Like, we don't need that. This one should be dry, so I'm gonna get my 180 grit file. This is just the same one I use for myself, and it still works really good. Okay, so for the dry ones, we're gonna start. I like to do the bottom first, depending what catches my eye. And if I keep doing it like this, it should be fine, right? But if I put it inward a little bit, then it crisps it up a little bit better, if that makes any sense. This is how I like to hold my file. But yeah, we're basically reshaping the nails at this point after the application. Sides, but keep your file straight like this. Don't go like this. That's like for coffin or like stiletto. Straight for square, for tapered square, or whatever square. Just make sure it's more straighter. Fine grit carbide bit, go underneath cuticle. Don't do this because you're gonna hurt yourself. Try to stay like this at a slight angle. Go around and underneath those nail grooves. You see how I'm going underneath the nail groove, under the eponychium, on the other side of the nail groove. And then you can focus on the nails. Make sure they don't look bulky. If you look at it on the side, it looks bad. It's not evened out. So you can see how thick it is, and I don't like that. So definitely removing product here at the same time, going underneath the cuticle, cleaning that up properly. Be gentle around your cuticle. See what it looks like before buffing. Underneath. Like, cleanse your nails. I'm gonna pick that one, and this is called Rassy Sassy. And this is the gold from Madame Glam's gel paint collection. The consistency is good. Add it on the palette. Beautiful, beautiful. Perfect white. Using Madame Glam's other stuff. Do it here. Out. While you're filling in your French. Filling that in. going to do like a squiggly-ish design there. I'm gonna cure these first. Just do not cure it and just drag it with that white. Some more white over here. I think I'm gonna do the whole nail green. Pushing up and then going down. Don't touch the skin. If you do, just clean it up. First, we gotta take my gel top coat non-tacky so that it adds the chrome on top of the green only. I'm gonna use this OPI chrome here. I think, let me see, the color is Tin Man. The glitter where the gloss didn't go shouldn't stay there. Look at that. This is just such a 90s vibe. I love this green. Oh, let's cover up the green ones. Gold, finally. I think I'm just gonna add it kind of there next to it, but kind of not. Doing like an outline on this now.
know you make me feel like I'm alive.